Hey students, here is the colorful animated graphical representation of the data given in this question. The graph is quite self-explanatory. If you are able to understand it by just looking at it, you can move to the next question. Otherwise, let's talk about it. So we have causes and female fertility rate, and we are supposed to draw a bar chart for it. So for causes, we have taken x-axis, and for female fertility rate, we are going to use y-axis. Now we can see that the largest entry is 31.8 and the smallest one is 4.1. So I have taken an interval of 7, 0 to 7, then plus 7, 14, plus 7, 21, plus 7, 28, and so on. What you can do is you can take an interval of 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, or 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. So it's up to you. You can take any interval. Now, for the first cause, reproductive health conditions, we are supposed to draw a bar that should represent 31.8%. So we can figure out from the y-axis, okay, somewhere over here I have 31.8. So I have to draw a bar from the bottom of the x-axis up to 31.8. Similarly, for 25.4, I have to plot a bar from the bottom of the x-axis up to 25.4. And similarly, for all next entries, we are supposed to draw these bars. Now, two things that you need to keep in mind. Width of all these bars should be same, and the distance between all these bars should also be consistent. Let's now solve the second part of this question. It says, which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide? So all you have to do is either you figure out the biggest number given in the table, or visually you can look for the tallest bar. So this is the major cause. So that means reproductive health conditions is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. Now third part says, try to find out with the help of your teacher any two factors which play a major role in the cause in the part 2 above being the major cause. Means we are supposed to mention two root causes for reproductive health conditions being the major cause of ill health and death of women worldwide. So number one can be poor medical resources. Number two can be poor hygiene. So that's how we solve this question. Now if you really like this tutorial, then please share it with your friends and your classmates. Thanks for watching Math Mafia.